Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn any image or shape into a custom frame in Canva. It's super fast and super easy. First, just open Canva and then create or open any designs that you want to work on. And then just upload the image or shape that you want to turn into a frame. Make sure you have already removed the background so the shape is clean and isolated. And then next, just go to apps and then search for FrameSpark. This one, just tap on it. And then just tap on your image like this, and then just adjust how it's are detected. And when you're done, just tap on convert to frame. Canva will automatically convert that shape into a custom frame for you like this. Next, you can adjust the size, rotate it, and then just drop in any photo or designs that you want. And okay, that's how you can make unique frame from any image in just a second. If this helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.